Children behave. That's what they say when we're together. And watch how you play. They don't understand, and so we're running just as fast as we can. Holding on to one another's hand. Trying to get away into the night. And then you put your arms around me and we tumble to the ground. I think alone. There doesn't seem to be anyone around now.
No! 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 Don't open that door! They're going to get all of us killed!
Something's coming.